Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Although it is currently only a concept, the 2025 Ford Speed First Edition Motorhome would be a revolutionary combination of Ford's expertise in commercial vehicles with an emphasis on performance-driven design and quick travel in the recreational vehicle market. The name Speed First Edition itself suggests a car designed for faster, more efficient travels as well as comfortable living on the road, appealing to customers who appreciate both luxury and dynamic functionality in their mobile home. On the outside, the 2025 Ford Speed First Edition Motorhome is expected to deviate from the typical, frequently boxy design of ordinary RVs. Taking cues from Ford's performance heritage, aerodynamic efficiency would probably be crucial. A slimmer profile, possibly with a more integrated cab-to-body design, sculpted lines, and subtly placed rear diffusers or spoilers to control airflow, could be one way to achieve this. Without a doubt, the front fascia would showcase a daring interpretation of Ford's current design language, possibly using LED lighting signatures that exude modernity and urgency. In order to reduce overall mass and support the speed-first philosophy, lightweight composite materials could be widely used in the body construction. Performance-focused wheel designs, distinctive paint jobs, and special badging would further set this limited edition car apart. The Speed First Edition Motorhome's interior is a showcase for modern elegance and elegant utility designed for effective travel. The design may emphasize a clever use of space to reduce extra bulk and enable agile mobility, all the while providing the basic amenities of a camper. Its uniqueness would be highlighted by high-quality components including fine upholstery, strong but lightweight surfaces, and precisely designed fixtures. With a cutting-edge infotainment system with sophisticated navigation tailored for short routes, real-time traffic updates, and perhaps even integrated telematics for vehicle performance monitoring, technology would be effortlessly interwoven. For the driver to be comfortable and in control during long, fast trips, ergonomics in the cockpit would be crucial. A performance-optimized chassis would serve as the foundation for the 2025 Ford Speed First Edition Motorhome. Although a sturdy Ford truck or heavy-duty van platform would serve as the foundation, major changes would be anticipated. A suspension system that has been performance-tuned for better handling qualities and increased stability at greater speeds may fall under this category. With a high-output EcoBoost engine or a power-dense diesel unit that is specifically tuned for quick acceleration and smooth running, despite the motorhome's significant heft, the powertrain would be a crucial distinction. The enhanced power would be complemented by precise steering and sophisticated braking technologies, guaranteeing a safe and secure driving experience. The term First Edition alludes to restricted manufacturing and special amenities, appealing to early adopters seeking a distinctive and powerful motorhome. This could be exclusive access to Ford's connected services, distinctive interior trim, or specific badging. Therefore, a niche market would be targeted by the 2025 Ford Speed First Edition Motorhome. People or families that appreciate the freedom of a motorhome but won't settle for less when it comes to driving dynamics, efficiency, and a unique, high-performance look. It would embody Ford's idea of a motorhome that not only transports you there in comfort but also swiftly and stylishly.